Good morning, students of class 8A. You welcome in the class of arithmetic. We are discussing the chapter sets, and today we will discuss the operations on set. In this topic, first of all, the union of two sets. Union of two sets A and B. If there are two sets A and B, then union of those two sets are the elements those belong to set A and set B, avoiding the repetition of elements. Those belong to set A and set B, but avoiding the repetition of elements. Example, if set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then we write the A union B. This is the denotation. This is the denotation or representation of union of two sets A and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. So in this what are you saying? All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B are written, but the repetition is avoided. Repetition in such a way, 1, 2, 2 is coming twice, but we will write only one time. 3, 4, 4 is also coming twice, but I wrote one time. 5, 6 is also coming twice, but I wrote one time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So all the elements of set A and set B are written as the union of these two sets, but the repetition of elements are avoided. So this is union of two sets. Roman number 2, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets A and B are the common elements of set A and set B. Common elements, such elements those belong to set A and set B. If A equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then A intersection B equal to 2, 4, 5. All these are the common elements. 2 is here, 2 is also here, so I wrote here 2 as the element of intersection of A and B. 4 is here, 4 is also here, so I wrote here 4. 5 is here and 5 is also here, so I wrote 5. Now no more element is common in these two sets. So A union B, this is the representation of A intersection B. A intersection B became the common element of set A and set B, that is 2, 4, 5. Now the new topic is difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B are represented by A minus B or B minus A. Now A minus B has the elements of set A, those do not belong to set B. A minus B has the elements of set A, those do not belong to set B. Example, these two are the sets A and B. A has the elements 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and B has the elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 15. So at first I prepared A minus B. As per definition, A minus B has the elements of set A, those do not belong to set B. Means we have to write the elements of set A, those do not belong to set B. Those are 7, 7 does not belong to B, 8 also does not belong to B, 9 is here but 9 belongs to B, so we will not write this element. 10 does not belong to B, 11 does not belong to B and 13 does not belong to B. So A minus B became 7, 8, 10, 11, 13. Second, B minus A. B minus A has the elements of set B, those do not belong to set A. Elements of set B, those do not belong to set A. 3 is here but 3 does not belong to set A, I wrote 3. 6 is here, 6 does not belong to set A, so I wrote 6. 9 is here but 9 belongs to A, so I did not write 9. 12 is here, 12 also belongs to set A, I did not write 12. Now 14 is here, 14 does not belong to set A, I wrote 14. 15 is here, 15 does not belong to set A, so I wrote 15. So b minus a became 3, 6, 14, 15. So I repeat, a minus b has the elements of set A, those do not belong to set B, and b minus a has the element of set B, those do not belong to set A. And under any circumstances, a minus b will never be equal to b minus a. Next topic is complement of a set. Let U be universal set and set A is any subset of U. Then the complement of set A is a set consisting all the elements of set U, those do not belong to set A. Means all the elements of set U, those do not belong to set A, is the complement of set A. It is denoted by A dash and it is read as complement of set A. Example, the elements of universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and set A has the elements 3, 5, 7, 9. Then complement of set A, that is A dash, equal to, we write the elements of set A, we write the elements of set U, those do not belong to set A. 1, that does not belong to set A, so I wrote here. 2, that does not belong to set A, I wrote here. 3 belongs to set A, so I did not write. 4 does not belong to set A, so I wrote here. 5 belongs to set A, so I did not write. 6 does not belong to set A, so I wrote. 7 did not write because 7 belongs to A. 8 does not belong to set A, so I wrote it. 9 I did not write because it belongs to set A. And 10, that does not belong to set A, I wrote 10. So complement of set A, that is represented by A dash, is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And simple formula is to get the complement of set A, universal set minus set A. We can find out the elements of complement of set A from this formula. Operations on sets. Under this topic, we are going to study about the cardinal properties of sets. Cardinal properties, that is related with the cardinal number, and cardinal number of a set is the number of elements of that set. If A and B are two finite sets, then n A union B means number of elements of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. Means number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of A intersection B. Second, NA minus B equal to means number of elements A minus B, number of elements of set A minus B equal to NA union B minus NB, that is equal to NA minus NA intersection B. Means number of elements of set A minus B equal to number of elements of set A union B minus number of elements of set B, that is also equal to number of elements of set A minus number of elements of set A intersection B. Number C, NB minus A equal to number NA union B minus NA equal to NB minus NA intersection B. It means number of elements B minus A equal to number of elements A union B minus number of elements A equal to number of elements B minus number of elements A union B. NA union B equal to NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. It means number of elements of A union B equal to number of elements of A minus B plus number of elements B minus A plus number of elements A intersection B. And the last is, if U is the universal set and set A is the subset of universal set U, then number of elements U minus number of elements A equal to number of elements of complement A. Number of elements of universal set U minus number of elements of complement set A equal to number of elements of set A. Number of elements of universal set equal to number of elements of set A plus number of elements of complement of set A. So these are the cardinal properties, we say the important formulae. Those will be used to solve the questions of the exercise.